Hello students, welcome in your computer online studies. This is part 2 of chapter Charts in Kelsey, chapter 8 children. Now this last time we have studied that how to create a chart, different chart elements, okay, chart types also we have seen. Then we have created one chart also and just formatted the chart elements in different way. Now children, in this session we are going to learn how to add hyperlink to the chart. All you know what is hyperlink? Okay. Hyperlink is a reference to a data that can be followed by selecting it. As you know, a hyperlink may points to a whole document or a part of document. The text which embeds such links within it is called the hypertext. Once a chart is created, you can set hyperlink to the whole chart or a component of the chart. Okay. If user clicks on hyperlink, it will lead the user to predefined destination. You may set hyperlink to document of the web, document within your local area network or computer or a new document. So all you know children nowadays, so you people are using these links for connecting your uh, different web pages, or you can open the different kinds of exercise or any other require page or document on web through the hyperlink. Same thing, we are connecting our chart through hyperlink, right? Now for any type of hyperlink you must have a chart, because we are going to uh, just adding hyperlink to our chart, so you must have chart. You have to create a chart first, that we have learned in first exercise, okay, in first video children. Now follow the below given steps to create hyperlink to the web or internet document. First of all, enter data and create a chart of suitable type. सबसे पहले आप डेटा एंटर करेंगे, उस डेटा के ऊपर आप एक चार्ट बनाएं. Verify the chart and select it using mouse key. Now insert, अब उस चार्ट को सिलेक्ट करेंगे माउस की से, और उसके बाद you can go to insert menu and click on hyperlink option. Okay. It will offer you 4 options regarding the destination of the link. That is, you can hyperlink the chart or selected entity to the internet, या मेल में, या न्यूज में, या डॉक्यूमेंट और न्यू डॉक्यूमेंट में आप चार्ट को हाइपरलिंक कर रहे हैं. कहाँ? So you have to select the option given out of these 4. Now figure 8.16 shows the 4 ways considered with red oval or linking the chart, for linking the chart. Okay, see children, going to insert menu, you go to hyperlink option. So hyperlink dialog box will open. Here you can see children, you have 4 options, 1 2 3 4, right? Here you can see hyperlink type, that is web, FTP, okay, or internet. So we are using web, right? Same way further settings वो डिपेंड करता है आप कैसी settings लेते हैं. By default, the first option is internet, is highlighted here children, this one. Okay, internet is the option जो कि by default selected ही रहता है. So is highlighted, and as a target you may give the destination URL, means आपको URL uniform resource डालना पड़ेगा कि आप ये कहाँ भेज रहे हैं, such as google.com. So you are supposed to have an internet connection if you want to experiment the link. Okay, and if everything goes right, the chart will lead you to Google's main page when clicked. Alternatively, any type of hyperlink is followed by pressing Ctrl plus Enter. Once you enter all necessary informations, you may choose Apply option. You can close the button to close the dialog box. Okay, I hope you got it children. Now अभी हमने देखा इंटरनेट पे, अब हम ये चार्ट को मेल कर रहे हैं बच्चों, ठीक है? If you want to connect the chart to the mail and news, so you need to select the mail and news option. You will see the different dialog box over here shows the option, and used when linking to mail and news. See children. Here रिसीवर मेल एंड न्यूज में जाके ईमेल करना है या आपको न्यूज पे देना है. The one is selected, right? You need to provide information about the receiver and subject of the mail. The chart will queued for mailing the receiver's address when you select apply option. However, this process remains offline and requires a mail client set at background. Similarly, for news option, you need to configure news server. Choose close button at the end. I hope you got it, children. Now linking the chart or linking a chart to a document. किसी document के साथ हम chart को link करें, connect करें. For that we are going to third option and from here document option open हो जाएगा. इस dialog box में आप यहाँ पे जाकर आपके document को search करेंगे जिसके साथ आपको chart को link करना है. Okay. You may see the screen in this. You can see children. Then further target or URL. Target in a document. Here the document already we are selecting na? So we can skip the options children here. This option is useful when you have a small chart prepared which is further explained in detail in another document. In this situation, for further explanation, you may link your chart to other document. Anyway, if you think that a particular document is related to the chart, you may link it with the chart using this facility. The full path mentions the location of the destination document. You can browse the document if you do not remember the complete path of the document using the browse button and circle with the red line here. आपको अगर लोकेशन या पाथ नहीं पता तो आप यहाँ से ब्राउजिंग कर सकते हैं अपने डॉक्यूमेंट की. ओके. You do not remember the complete path of the document using the browse option, so which is encircled with the red line. Given beside the path text box, you can also provide target within the destination document using the target option. At last, choose apply and close button. This way you can complete the procedure and close the dialog box of document option children. Now linking a chart to a new document. To link a selected chart to a new document, you can choose the fourth option, new document. You can provide file name and file type, spreadsheet, word processor, drawing, etc. And the type of the file you may create using this option. The file once created is now available to edit as edit now option is selected by default. If you do not want to edit it, you may choose edit later option. अगर आप उस फाइल को एडिट करना है जहाँ पे आपने चार्ट भेजा है या हाइपरलिंक किया है तो एडिट नाउ ऑप्शन में जाकर आप उसे एडिट कर सकते हैं या फिर एडिट लेटर के ऑप्शन में जाकर आप उसे बाद के लिए टाल सकते हैं बच्चों. You can see children, new document, text option, text document, edit now, yeah, edit later. Okay. Fine children. At the end, same, choose apply option and then close option to get it closed. Now exporting the chart. इस chart को हम export कर रहे हैं बच्चों. अभी तक हमने hyperlink किया. Now we are exporting the chart at other operations. You can export your document containing chart as portable document file having PDF format, right? PDF cert extensions. To do so, perform the following steps. Go to file menu, then select export option. You may see the screen as shown in 8.20. Export में जाकर हम अपना चार्ट लेंगे जो हमने भेजना है. चार्ट 2 किया, डॉक्यूमेंट किया and यहाँ पर हम select कर रहे हैं PDF option. You can see HTML option is there, PDF is there. So we are selecting PDF. Got it children? Choose PDF and select the file to a desired folder. Save the file in a desired folder. तो आपका ये जो चार्ट है वो PDF format में सेव हो जाएगा बच्चों. Now copying the chart, same. अगर आपको चार्ट कहीं किसी और लोकेशन पे भेजना है, so copying the chart to a writer, Impress or any other document, you have to select chart, copy and paste. So you may go to edit menu and choose required option. Understood, children? Then afterward, go to destination document and say paste option. Deleting the chart is very simple. Select the chart and press delete button. Now children, printing the chart. For many times you may require the printing a chart and the worksheet contents. So perform the following options or following steps. फाइल मेन्यू में जाके प्रिंट ऑप्शन पे जाके आप अपने सिलेक्टेड चार्ट को या सिलेक्टेड पेज को प्रिंट कर सकते हैं. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? हियर इट इज गिवन ऑल स्टेप्स. नाउ इंसर्टिंग अदर मल्टीमीडिया ऑब्जेक्ट्स इन आवर chart. Beside the charts, you can insert any multimedia object into the worksheet. Multimedia objects include objects of multimedia such as pictures, camera clips, videos, and movie clips, animated clips such as GIF files or 3D text. For this, we normally use simple insert menu command, that is to insert camera clips or clips from your mobile. First, you need to connect the device with your computer. You may choose the wired connection. Okay. Then or the Bluetooth technology you can select for connecting your mobile device. Once your computer has accessed the objects such as your photograph, select insert picture. अब आप अपने मोबाइल से पिक्चर सेंड कर सकते हैं या इंसर्ट पिक्चर में जाके पिक्चर ले सकते हैं. And insert picture or desired picture you can select. Similarly, you can insert a movie and animated clip or GIF file into your Kelsey document. 3D text, yes, we can insert. The 3D text is in the Kelsey is known as graphical text or font art. Okay, graphical text art or font art or font work. This example is given. You can see children. See, this is written as slight. It is little. Just you can see the 3D look of this, and it is given in a sliding manner. Right, diagonally it is presenting. To create a font work, simply go to the font work toolbar or font work gallery icon. From there, you can select the options given over here, children. In the font work gallery dialog box, simply font style you select and say OK. आपने जो भी contents आपको font style में देने हैं different font work में, you can write down और उन्हें पहले से ही select करके color or line choose करके you can have the object displayed on your Kelsey screen. Now press, after completing that, double click the object to enter your own text, then press escape to exit text edit mode. Understood, children? Well, we are now at the end of this chapter. In this chapter, what we have learned that about various charts, their importance and their purposes. We have also seen how charts are inserted and modified in Kelsey spreadsheet package. There are several components of a chart. This chapter considered most common components of the chart and explained in detail. We have also learned how to define the format such as chart components for more effective presentation. The chapter has discussed two examples of charts, namely column chart and pie chart. We have also seen how a hyperlink can be set to a chart. The chart also discussed mechanism to print chart, to copy chart, delete chart, and to export chart as a portable document PDF format पे. At last, we have also seen how to insert 3D and multimedia objects in a spreadsheet document. I hope you have understood and enjoyed the lesson, children. Thank you. Just take care of yourself and go through along with your textbook. Again, I say thank you, children. God bless you.